This is NectarChain. We're a layer 2 utility service with a native token, NCTR, that has been designed to greatly improve the token transfer capabilities of the Ethereum network, provide minimal fee payment channels for any transaction volume or user, and eliminate inefficiencies, redundancies, and the potential of fraud through a trustless consensus mechanism. Perhaps it would be best if we took things back a little. In late 2013, Vitalik Buterin and his co-founders laid a new structure upon the foundations of Bitcoin, Ethereum. This project, which expands upon the smart contract capabilities of Bitcoin, would usher the emergence of distributed applications and smart contracts into the blockchain sector and greatly expand the potential utilities therein. NectarChain represents the next step in scaling the Ethereum blockchain, a platform that pays to use, both in network reward participation and the services made possible with our underlying database. While blockchain implementation allows us to transact digital currency, assets, and information in a trustless system, it is not perfect for every application. You can move millions of dollars in the blink of an eye for less than a cup of coffee, but making transactions between a large number of people can become expensive quickly. On the Ethereum blockchain, innovators are building whole platforms dedicated to providing applicable solutions using blockchains and smart contracts, sustaining these platforms with incentivized token economics. CryptoKitties is an uneven example of that success. Beginning as a hackathon project and evolving into a platform where users have traded over $6 million worth of digital assets, CryptoKitties' rapid growth cloaked the bandwidth of the entire network, an alarming result given the simplicity of the dApps function. NectarChain's HIVE combines a Foundation DB NoSQL database along with a watchdog Paxos consensus management protocol to create, monitor, and settle payment channels pertaining to the exchange of tokens. This off-chain database, comparable to the Bitcoin Lightning Network, is instead powered by NCTR tokens to negate the use of scarce main-chain cryptocurrencies such as gas. Gas is a fee required by Ethereum to be paid out by the individuals and companies running the computers that process the transactions. The price of this fee fluctuates with network bandwidth changes and growth. As an off-chain technology utilizing a database that allows for private, trustless, and low-fee transactions, NectarChain is being launched as a countermeasure to the existing and potential impediments to blockchain's adoption. While the blockchain is ideal for financial transactions and assets management, it can hinder large volume transactions which would be better handled by a database. HIVE users can rest assured with the knowledge that transactions are validated point to point. HIVE will define 2 levels of sentries, level 1 and 2, to ensure that all transactions occurring in real time are valid while surveying the health of this growing network, with these sentries responsible for securing and monitoring both the HIVE and funding by subscribing users. By offering a publicly inclusive blockchain as a service incentivization model, contributors and end users transferring tokens will be rewarded for scaling our database. It will be possible for one to collect NCTR by placing a cell or node in the HIVE, offering low latency with a highly available connection like a virtual private server. A cell will momentarily store a piece of our partitioned database to ensure channels in the HIVE are all accounted for. Whether in relation to the health, finance, energy, insurance, or any other industry or the public sector through governmental implementations, charity, or taxation use cases, NectarChain can increase the efficiency of industry processes, reducing auditing costs, provide consent, protection, and control of consumer customer data, provide a high level of trust in the repository of transactional data, allow through HIVE for interoperability between off-chain processes, streamline payments processing with high efficiency, fast and secure transactions, empower global transactions, tearing down national currency borders, and minimize auditing complexity for any financial ledger. Our equitably distributed, scalable, and minimal fee platform has been devised to meet any solution needed by businesses or consumers that can be provided by a blockchain. Check out our website at nectarchain.com to discover more about how NectarChain works and how you can benefit from participation in our network.